Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
Today, let's talk about basements. How many of you have an unfinished basement, or you just got an area that's one little spot is finished? It's all that space that you already have in your home, but you're not utilizing it. That's a great reason to finish off your basement. So when you're finishing your basement, you can go elaborate or you can keep it simple. You can have a nice, simple kitchenette, quartz top, double sink. Keep it simple. Some people want to go all the way and have an elaborate bar, a full kitchen with ovens. You can do as much or as little if you want to because it's your basement. So with all this space, it's a great opportunity to provide a hangout spot for your teenagers, a man cave for your husband, or just a spot for the whole family can get together and play games and just spend some quality time together. If you have the opportunity and are able, always add a bathroom in a basement renovation. If you have friends or guests staying over, it gives them their own private space and it's just convenient. This one's beautiful with a vertical tile in the shower, black shower doors, double vanity. It really gives you nice usable space. Finishing a basement gives you a great opportunity to add more bedrooms. Maybe it's for guests, maybe it's for in-laws, but don't miss the opportunity to gain that added bedroom space. This basement renovation also had laundry down here, which lets the kids be able to do their own. Mamas, you're gonna like that. So don't forget, if you need a basement renovation, a garage, a deck, a kitchen, call the F&S Building Innovations Team. We can do 3D renderings to help you visualize that space. We'll help you get the project of your dreams.